Hi all, welcome to Geetika Collections. Today I am going to explain few features or settings in a Usha computer embroidery machine. So first one is the common settings, second one is embroidery settings. So in generally common settings means we will have the color of the display and the sound system. These things will be in a common system, common settings. These all are just to manage the display of that mainly. Second one is embroidery settings. So when this will helpful to you is whenever you need a good nice finishing neatly on a neat design on a cloth. So these settings will help you whenever I am discussing with my customers or my subscribers. Few subscribers are saying it came very neatly on my cloth, on my design, with my design. Whenever I am discussing with some other subscribers, they are saying for me it's not came neatly or finishing. The reason is the few of these settings also could be a part in that. So today I am going to help you say, explaining these settings. So if you are watching the first time my channel, so subscribe my channel and share my channel, so you will get all the notifications whenever I upload a video in future or next or future also. Thank you. So now we will see the settings. So today I am going to explain the first one is remaining bobbin thread. This remaining bobbin thread should be active or inactive, because in a machine we have the two machine has come up with two features, active and inactive. So in generally they will give it a remaining bobbin thread as a off mode. So you need to be active, it's mandatory, it will helpful you. When it will helpful you is, suppose this is a remaining bobbin thread was 0. So whenever design is stitched, the machine was stitching mode. So if suppose bobbin thread was completed, it will not give you any notification. So it will give, the stitching will happen, but there will not be any thread, but no, it will not show you any notification or identification. So after a few stitches only you can realize, oh, but there is no bobbin thread, it will become a problem for you. So if you have this is in active mode, so you can make it as a at watt meters, like a 0.5 meter or 1 meter. It will ask a reminder. So if you select suppose a 0.5 meter, so when in the bobbin thread, if it is a 0.5 meter, immediately you will get a notification there is no sufficient bobbin thread. So like that. So based on that you can plan and you can suggest, you can continue with your design. So I have noticed a few persons, so because of the this is an off mode, it will not show any notification. Then the users are thinking there is a issue with the machine. It's because it's not showing any notification. Even without a thread also machine is running. So the users will get confused and they will think there is an issue with the machine. No, there is no issue with in this scenario. So just you need to check the bobbin thread is there or not if there is any scenario like this. Because for few of the guys as well discussing with us, so they are saying, ma'am, there is no issue in that, upper thread is going, there is no bobbin thread, it's not coming out. Here the scenario, this is also one of the reasons. So you just check before starting that, you just check the remaining bobbin thread was inactive or not. If it is active, you can make it up to 0.5 meter or 1 meter or 2 meter, that is up to you. So we will suggest you make it as a 1 meter is a fine for you. So it's our responsibility to it should be active here. So here nothing but 0.5 means 0.5% of a bobbin thread. Whenever it came to that, it will remind you. If you make it as a 1, then 10%. Here 0.1% nothing but a 1% in a of the bobbin thread, entire bobbin thread. Because while so system can the machine can understand what is the bobbin thread size it have, because we are winding to the bobbin with the help of machine only. So it can understand that automatically how much percent was available in a bobbin thread. So based on that it will give you notification when it was in active mode. That is mandatory. You make it reminder that again 1 second. If suppose this is in off mode, so whenever the machine was in running, if you identified later, then there is a problem for you and it's a time waste issue. Bobbin, again we need to recount how many actually when the thread has stopped it, I mean when the thread was completed. So you have to go navigate through plus or minus symbols in a stitches count. So it was a very tedious job. So we are suggesting we make it an active and make it as a 10%, means 1.0 remaining thread. So it will help you, it will be very helpful to you to maintain it. So in between also you cannot face any issues whenever we have maintained this is active mode. So here problem is once you are adjusting with a plus or minus and again while restitching that, it sometimes will become a stitch on the upper thread, stitch again on top of another stitch. So it will become a very ugly to see, because a thread on top of another thread and the same design. So few things will be a normal mode and another part, I mean few things will be in a double time stitch happen. So it will very bad to see. For the customers also might not be satisfied with that. So now itself you check in our machine whether it is in active mode or inactive mode. So if it is inactive mode, you change it to active mode and set as a 0.5 or 1 as your wish. And this is an embroidery, one of the embroidery option. So we strongly recommend you to maintain this always be active mode and make it as a 5% or 10%, sorry. So this is one of the embroidery setting. So with this your design will be a very neat and there will not be any disturbances through bobbin thread issues like that. Now we will see another option or another feature in a machine, that is nothing but a jump thread cutting length. Actually when it will helpful is, we have my few subscribers has been asked me. So the thread was cutting very length. While cutting that unnecessarily thread is wasting, and also the because of that, if suppose I forgot it to cutting that extra thread, it is again on top of that and next stitch is going, so it's very bad to see. So I am unable to remove that extra piece of the thread on here from the design. So this is what another information asking by the customers. So how we can resolve that is, so here I am going to explain that. Let's see. Or whenever the color is going to change, means the one of few of the part is happened with red color, the next color is a green. So here also thread cut should happen. So while cutting the time, if it is more means, then fine you can manage. But with the same thread, sometimes machine itself will cut that thread and it will continue that, because of that will be a jumping concept. So with the same thread we can do that. Because if we are not aware of that the same thread or same color thread jumping is happening, if you are not noticed that, suppose this is a very lengthy jumping thread, so it will be actually the problem will come for you by that time. So let's see. It will be extra task for us to cut that manually, that extra thread. So it's also another tedious job for us. So here in the machine default one is 3 mm. So it means very a negligible length or a very small length. So we recommend you to go with this 3 mm. So it will helpful you. So now you don't need to extra cut and all. It will reduce your time and its design will come neatly. Even if whenever the thread for the same color thread, if it is happening some other place also, it will helpful to avoid that. So the next one is, you can see here, cut at color change or end. If this is off means, so the thread cut will not happen whenever you want to change. So whenever we need change the color also. So by looking this name itself, we can identify this. So this should always be, this was in a active mode. So means on. If it is off means the problem. If it is in off mode, by mistakenly you keep it, else some system if you given as off. So whenever the design has suppose 3 colors. So the first color is going to stitch and it was completed. So if this was in off mode, the next also it will go by default with the same thread. It will not give you any notification like that. If you notice, generally whenever the color needs to change, by the time you will get notification on display like that the color was changed. You need to replace the color like that, you can see it on the screen. So if it is off mode, you cannot get that notification by this time. So this always should be a mandatory is on mode. So if you are not noticed these 3 settings in our machine right now, you please cross check in our machine. it will helpful you. Whenever these three are in active mode, the design will come very neatly and finishing also will be very good. See, designs or stitching all the guys can do, but whenever these things are very in my active mode, so the design will come very neatly and appreciated by your customers. So designs all the guys do, but whenever the design came good only, we will be happy, our customers also happy. So check your machine right now whether these three are active or inactive. If it is inactive, make it to change to active and follow the thread cutter as the thread, the remaining bobbin holder as make it 0.5 and the cutter as at 3 mm level. This thing will helpful you. And one more, after doing all these changes, don't forget to press an OK button. If you press OK button, then only it will save it on your machine, else it will not save on your machine. So this is what today's video I have explained this. So please, if you like this channel or this video, subscribe my channel and share my video. So if you subscribe it will helpful you to get my future videos also. So this is a very first video for me in English, so let's see, we'll keep on continue for next also. Thank you.